Back when MakerBot came out with the first consumer-ready printers, my son and myself purchased one. It was difficult to find the filament. So what I learned from that was that the 3D printing community needed some support in Edmonton and in Canada for that matter. So I reached out and I found a source for filament and other supplies, and eventually we became partners with MakerBot. They lead the way in consumer-ready printers. What I really like about what RepRap Warehouse is becoming is we're becoming a resource and almost a discussion center for our customers that come in. We have a lot of open discussions, a lot of learning on both sides, from cosplay to the grade 3 teacher that wants to do something with his class, to the engineer that's building a tower in the ice district. The dichotomy is unbelievable, and we bring all of that together here because it all ends up centering around the modeling that they have to do eventually with the printer.
I would say that the most satisfying thing about working with 3D printers is the ability to create whatever it is you want. Here at RepRap Warehouse we have this huge machine, the Giant, and it allows us to create massive objects that other people can't, so we can work on project scales differently than everybody else. And we have a reliable fleet of printers that allows us to create without the headache that you'd have in other printing mechanisms, such as, well, we have the MakerBot, for instance. Just plug and play and print. And this one has been incredibly reliable too. I've printed hundreds of hours on this printer. I love sharing that technology with other people. I'm passionate about 3D printing. RepRap Warehouse keeps me connected to the 3D printing industry in a way that I didn't have before coming here. So there's massive opportunity to express creatively here and to help others express creatively here when they bring in their concepts and their ideas that they want to have made. That's what I love the most.